Assalamualaikum guys, and welcome to Rafplay. This is the latest edition of the 72-volt Zoomer bike. It's a fantastic looking bike, as you guys can see. It's got an awesome look, metallic colors, super solid tires. It's a beauty of a bike. Guys, let me show you the features of this bike now. First, just have a check on how amazing this bike looks. It's great for adults. It can be great for teenagers also who want to have a lot of fun, and of course are experts at driving. Let's show you the features of the bike. So guys, as you can see, these tires are like rubber, super solid, great for off-roading. There is a strong motor of about 3000 watts on this, so the speed can go up till approximately 90 to 95 kilometers. These are amazing shock ups over here. So there are some nice shock ups over here as well. You can see the footrest. You can see the footrest also. This is the design of the bike. Let me show you the panel board. This is the on and off key. The highest, there are 3 speed modes. This is the indicator, the left and right indicator. That's for the backside light. Those are the indicators. So guys, this is the button of the headlights. As you can see, it's got super strong LED headlights. This is the horn button. These are the speed modes. So this is for high speed. Then we have the drive mode, we have the parking mode, and we have a reverse. So yes, it can also go in reverse. There are mirrors over here so that you can have a great viewing. And let me show you the shock ups, the hydraulic shock ups as well. So these are the hydraulic shock ups. The mileage is up to 40 to 45 kilometers per charge, and you can go on 3-speed mode. It's great for adults, it's great for teenagers. One of our top sellers, only at www.rafplay.com.